Good morning. Are you ready for Disneyland today?
Yeah.
What are you going to see today?
Mickey.
Pardon?
I'm going to see Mickey.
You're going to see Mickey? Daddy's just going to have his chocolate twist for breakfast, fresh from the bakery yesterday in the supermarket. Little mocha. Here's Mummy.
Good morning.
Greatest adventure. He's my greatest adventure.
They haven't been.
She's my greatest adventure.
They haven't been ironed, so I'm trying to stretch mine out.
Ah, no one worries about that. No one worries about
What
that.
do I do? There's no ironing board here at
There's no what?
So ironing board and iron. So
No one worries. You're fine.
Can I go
You look good,
in
look.
Dumbo first?
Can you what?
Dumbo.
Can I go in Dumbo first?
You need to eat your toast first, otherwise they won't let us in. Come on, quick.
We need to have full tummies.
The things you say to get kids to eat the food's great, isn't it? Look at these morning eyes.
I know, I'm a bit morning-y.
But
Sunglasses. I've got my sunglasses somewhere.
fixed. Let's go.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. If the hold a high. Long sing song doing jamboree. And the sea. Hey what? M-I-N-I-C. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Come on, Daddy.
Mickey Mouse.
Daddy.
I'm trying not to.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey.
Come on, Daddy.
Come on, Daddy.
Okay. Oh, go on then.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
It's gone. Absolutely.
Okay, I'll do it. Go on.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. If the hold it high. Long sing song doing jamboree. MC, hey you are.
Exactly where we were yesterday.
M-I-U-R-T.
Just a quick reminder or a quick tip. Here at Disneyland Paris, France, they're very, very hot on the no selfie sticks. So you can't have any sort of stick or holder or phone holder or camera holder or anything that extends. So just make sure that it's a non-extendable camera holder tripod thing.
Good boy. Wait there for Mummy.
Bonjour. Here we are, ready for day 2. He's showing his glasses. Because Sully's showing Chip and Dale his glasses, now he's showing Mickey his ears. Dancing, Sully. Oh. Absolutely just fell over the fence. So if you're going to dance, just watch your steps. So we're posting a 20-minute wait for Peter Pan. It is now 20 to 10. So So let's see what the timing actually ends up being. This is Peter Pan after all. 20 minutes could mean 2 hours. Let's hope it doesn't. We'll let you know when we get on. So 15 minutes in of the 20 posted, and we're just going into the inside part of the queue. So
It's so lovely, the queue, you just walk, it's great.
Yeah.
We haven't stopped for long periods of time.
No.
We just keep slowly walking, and actually you feel like we're getting somewhere, and we are.
it is nice to get inside though, out of the sun, and get that little blast of cool air. So I don't know how much further we've got to go in here, but so far so good. Yes, you're right there, Cam.
Be friendly.
Yeah, watch out for that. It caught me by surprise.
Take the chance.
All right, mate. And we're here. We're here, look. Look at the boats. Here we go. Did you enjoy Peter Pan?
I need to go and Peter Pan again.
You need to go on it again?
Yeah.
Did you love it?
I need to go on it.
Guys, Peter Pan's flight, the queue was 15 minutes. 15 minutes! Whoever heard of such a thing? 15 minutes for Peter Pan's flight. Brilliant. Feel like today's going to be a good day. What say you, Todd? Say you, baby Todd?
Definitely.
Yeah, because Sully's a bit unsure about the ones that are dark, so like the dark rides, the indoor dark rides. So he's just taken that really, really well, to the point where he's more upset he had to get off and he wants to do it again. He needs to do it again. So we're going to go and try Pinocchio while it's fresh in his mind, and see if that'll coax him into some more of the indoor rides. I'm not saying we're going to get to Pirates today, but it's a good start. Here we are. Le Voyage de Pinocchio. And for those that don't know, Pinocchio is my absolute favourite Disney film of all time.
So let's go and see if we can spy Pinocchio on this ride.
We're in the queue for Voyage of Pinocchio, and this one, hello baby Todd, hello Cheeky, hello. This one is saying a 10-minute wait. So let's see if we can sneak on this one. So just a quick little update. This is not a 10-minute wait. This is practically walk on. We got in the queue like literally a minute ago, and now we're literally walking straight on the ride. So we're in. Welcome to the queue for Pinocchio. It's strawberry. So that was a walk on. Literally, it said 10 minutes wait for Pinocchio, and we walked on in under 2. So a little bit unsure of that one again, solely because it was dark inside, but he handled it well. He did all right. So we're going to try Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It's open, and there's no one in the queue. Another walk on. Here we go.
Everyone, oh, Sunny, they're playing the band, look, darling, wow, we're in the
That was a little bit scary. Let's find some more dark rides. Guys, the queues and the crowds today are just so small. We've walked on, well, Peter Pan was 15 minutes. We then walked on Pinocchio, walked straight onto Seven Dwarfs, Snow White Seven Dwarfs. We were the only ones on that ride. We're now just come through into Adventureland for the first time. We're heading towards Pirates of the Caribbean because Sully's on a bit of a roll at the minute of let's find some more dark rides. We're making a game of it and his confidence is up with it, so we're going to give it a go. This one's probably going to be a bit tougher on him, but I think he'll be okay. It's showing a 10-minute wait. Let's see if that 10 minutes is 10 minutes or if it's a walk.
We're going to go and find some pirates. What do pirates say, Sally? Good boy. Come on then.
So as I said, he posted a 10-minute wait. So far, we're just walking through. Here's Sully. He's so excited trying to look at everything. He's holding everybody up, so it might be 10 minutes for them lot, but...
Yeah, you can close your eyes. You can give us a cuddle.
Yeah, we close our eyes first time round, open them second time round. Just like Mummy.
Isn't it? Happy.
Wow, Sally, look at this.
Oh, I love this ride.
Look at those light up trainers, huh? Keep walking. Woohoo! They are. They're like McQueen trainers. We're just about to walk on the boats now. It said a 10-minute wait. It hasn't been that. It's been under 5 easily. We've just kept walking the whole way, haven't we?
Yes. Yes.
We got the front seat, guys.
Yay!
Woo!
Let's have a look, Sally. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at it, Sally. We're on a boat, we're on a restaurant. Look at all these beautiful lights. Look at this. Look, treasure, Sally.
So good luck. Une fois, deux fois,
Some pirate merch. How cool is that pirate Mickey? Look, it's got his little braids and everything. He wants to find some more rides.
Look at this.
Cool pirate shop after the Pirates of the Caribbean, and then you get the Jack Skellington merch as well. The Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Very cool little bomber jacket there. Some 30%, there's a lot of 30% off discount badges around the parks and in the shops. We've got our magic passes now, so we can, our annual passes, so we'll be able to get some more discounts and stuff, which would be quite cool. I mean, the detail in these shops alone is fantastic. This is just a shop. It's amazing.
Peter Pan and Nana. Good boy.
Oh, how cute is that, Nana? Peter Pan Mickey. Another successful ride there, Mummy.
Yes, it was.
So
it really was.
he's doing this thing, and Susie did this actually the first time we ever went to
More on
Florida.
roller coasters.
He closes his eyes most of the way around on the darker rides.
Yeah.
But then he comes up and he goes, I enjoyed that ride. We need to find more dark rides. So we're going to go and try Phantom Manor, which will be the last big one. Yeah, we have to hurry up. Let's go.
Sorry,
let's go.
Let's go. Quick. We've got Phantom Manor to do.
Oh, yeah.
I'm a little bit like that about him and Phantom Manor because it's the noise, I think.
Yeah.
The noise and
But
the stretching room I'm worried about with the thunder.
But if he just closes his eyes,
he'll be all right.
does it, and then I think he'll be fine.
Yeah, he will.
I think it's when we start trying him on Terra Terra. We won't do that. If ever there was a t-shirt made for me.
What's that say? I'm surrounded by idiots.
Oh God, yeah.
I'm going to wear that one.
The t-shirt game is strong at this stand. I'll take a Cub sandwich. Yep. It wasn't me. Turn it round. It was me. Yes. So how much would you send me back to buy one of each of these? What do we think, Suze? One of each?
Yes.
So, slight change of plan. We are very close to Indiana Jones and the Temple of Peril, so we're going to give that one a go and work our way around to Phantom Manor from here. So this will be a sit it out for Sully. It's time for Indiana Jones and the Temple of Peril. 5 minutes. Indiana Jones Temple of Peril. It's 5 minutes posted when we went on, and we were on and off inside of 5 minutes. It's gone up to 15 now, but it was an excellent ride. Fairly short, but a good loop in the middle as well, and yeah, good roller coaster.
How are you, my friend? Terrible, thank you for asking. And who's this little one that we have?
This is Todd.
Oh, Todd! Happy dreaming! Oh my God.
You want to stand on this green spot?
Hello, my friend!
Say hello.
How are you doing today? Sully! Oh my goodness. Marvel to meet you, my
Jack's
friend.
friend is Sally. That's quite close, isn't it?
Yeah. Very pretty. I love your t-shirt, yes.
Would you like a phantom? Hi guys, so we've just met Jack Skeleton. Did you enjoy Jack Skeleton? Was he cool? Yeah. And now we're in the Lucky Nugget for lunch. It's a sort of a cross between a quick service and a table restaurant, but they've taken annual pass discount, which is really good. Just making the most of the aircon because it's lovely and warm outside. So yeah, just waiting for our lunch to come. Me and Cam went for the adults cheeseburger. And then George, Sol and Suze went for the kids' chicken burger meals. All of them come with desserts and drinks and whatever else. So we got 2 kids' meals, 1 adult meal, €4.80 discount with our annual pass. Total $43.20. That was for that meal, and that meal. A water, 2 Cokes and 3 desserts. Whose is this? What'd you say?
Can we eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it. Is it delicious? Do you say mercy? So, 2 adults and 1 child had a child's meal. Me and Cam had adults meal. The only difference between the adults meal and the child's meal is the size of the ice cream. Me and Cam's raging. Me and Cam paid €22. These guys paid €13. The only difference is that. Oh, and we had mushrooms on our burgers.
Say it.
Don't get me wrong, it was really nice food. Like, the food was really, really nice, wasn't it? But you'll agree, like, the only difference in the food was mushrooms on my burger and the size of the ice cream. But lesson learnt. So that's 2 days running now where the infant meal has been not much different to the adult meal in size, only in cost. And they're fine with you ordering the infant meal. I mean, we got annual pass discount on it all anyway, so it's fine. But just bear that in mind. You're paying €11 for the size of an ice cream.
Daddy, please can I have your badge?
Can you have my sheriff badge? Ah! What'd you say? What'd you say?
Sorry.
Okay, so yeah, I've now paid €11 for an ice cream that's slightly bigger with no sheriff badge. Thank you, Sally.
We are walking on to Phantom Manor. I mean, we shall see, won't we, George? Do we think Sully's going to do it or not?
I think we might be okay.
We might be okay. Todd's having a...
So brave, wasn't it?
He's been very brave, and I hope it continues. Todd's having a lovely time looking over the Cam's shoulder. Sully's walking very nicely with Simon, and this is the queue for Phantom Manor. Here we go. We'll see when we're in there.
Oh, that's nice.
Sully's just looking after Todd. This is the queue for Phantom Manor. We have walked in, come under, and we've come all through this plexiglass. Here's George, as Stitch today. Here she is, having a lovely time. But yes, we've come all through the plexiglass, and we'll show you as we get further up. It says 30 minutes. The time is, I don't know, George has got it.
1:35.
1:35. So let's see by about 2 o'clock if we're on. Let's see.
Go on, quick, this time.
Now, curious souls, come. I have more to show you. Okay, innocence of youth. Kindness from all the way, with one forever. There's no return. I can't get it caught. He's a late.
Los Kriegel tun so hearts awake. Happy hearts don't
It's afternoon story time for baby Todd, as read by Sully. You reading a story for Todd?
There's lots of elephants.
Good boy. Thank you, Frontierland. It's been wonderful. Phantom Manor and a few other bits and pieces. Had a lovely meal at the Lucky Nugget. We're now going to head over to, well, I guess it's Discoveryland here, isn't it? I think we call it Tomorrowland in Florida. I'll confirm the name in a second, but we're heading over there towards Buzz Lightyear Ranger Spin and also Hyperspace Mountain. Oh yeah. Lovely sunny afternoon shot of Sleeping Beauty's castle there. We're heading over there. Air cooler. Guardians of the Galaxy. I Am Groot ears. How much are they? They are $19.99 plus annual pass discount. Excellent. Pair of ears I could get on board with. We're heading on into Buzz Lightyear's Ranger Blaster Spin thing.
I don't know what it's called.
I need to get on top of the names because they're ever so slightly different.
Yeah, I'm not sure what this one's called.
Let's call it Buzz Lightyear's Ranger Spin, Space Ranger Spin. Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah.
We're going to shoot some aliens.
my
Posted a
handle
5-minute wait and it looks like we're going to walk straight on. Hi Buzz!
Ça quand même bien choisi son moment. Veuillez écouter la descente de vos sièges. Votre barre de protection va faire
That's it, you get them. Here you go, you shoot. Oh.
What is it, Sally?
Like the Queen. Look at that mug. That might have to come home.
That is the highest score I have ever got on Buzz Lightyear Ranger Spin, whatever it's called, I don't know.
Well
That's
done.
right.
That's the lowest score I've ever got.
I've never ever been able to get above like sort of 4 figures in Florida. I'm not very good.
What did you have? 70,000, 60,000, something like that?
I didn't get that many.
I had
Let's not go overboard.
1,800. But well done. You were the champione. Where are we going now?
The cars.
We're going on the Cars Autopia. Who is it? Who is it?
Jackson and the King.
Let's go!
Here we go.
Woohoo!
Here we go, mummy.
Racing! Woohoo!
We've just come off Autopia. It was the first ride on Autopia, and it definitely won't be the last. But I think we've found little man's favourite.
Yes, we definitely have. He'd love
Is
that.
I don't want to get off. I enjoy that ride. What's quite cool is he's a big Cars fan, so the Pixar cars. So any car that's got a colour, he's naming it after the characters in the film.
So we've seen Lightning McQueen, Jackson's Storm.
Yeah. So tell everybody, did you enjoy that one?
Yeah. Is that Flo?
Yeah, it's fun.
Is that Flo? So we've had a little accident. George and Cam and Sully were stationary in the car, and another car's come behind at full speed and hit them, and George has hurt her back. So they're just trying to sort it out now. Got the fire crew down, and hopefully she's going to be okay. Just had a little bit of trouble breathing, hurt her back, probably just a bit winded. So yeah, got the fire crew down, they got a wheelchair for her, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully she'll be okay. So little update, they're going to get George and Cam to walk up to there, and we're going to look after Sully and baby Todd until they're ready. Don't think we're going to use the wheelchair. They're just going to walk up there now and meet back out at the entrance. So we'll keep you posted. So just to bring you up to speed, George and Cam went on Autopia with Sully, and they were stationary at one point, and there was a young girl and her mum in the car behind them who didn't realise they'd stopped and rear-ended them at full speed. Sully was wedged in between the two of them and he's completely fine. Cam, a little bit of pain but generally okay, but George has got trouble breathing and quite a bad back. So
Winded her.
yeah, we think she's been winded, but she's being sent to the hospital now. Disney doctors are looking after her and getting her onto the hospital for an x-ray just to be sure. I think everything's going to be grand. So we're now parents of two.
Oh God.
It's been a long time since we had a little baby, isn't it?
Hey, he took his body,
Hey.
Sappy.
Were you looking after little baby Todd? Huh? Are you giving him extra loves?
I can taste orange, lemon, and strawberry.
Good boy. So yeah,
Strawberry.
me and Suze are now looking after baby Todd.
Who's tired, and we're going to try and keep awake for a little bit so he doesn't have a snooze.
Yeah, so we're going to chill for a minute, have our drinks, just sort of gather ourselves, and we're probably going to go and find a few more rides to do, and then we'll think about getting some dinner. So I think the idea here is we're going to string it out here as long as we can, give Cam and George a chance to get back because their car's here as well, but we've got the keys and everything, so if need be we could take the keys back, the cars back. Yeah, we'll just see where the rest of the day and evening takes us, and we'll look after these two. Little Susie dance. We'll see you in a bit. Just the four of us going on a small world. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Can you say bonjour? Are you ready for the singing ladies on Small World? What about Mummy and Baby Todd?
Mummy and baby Todd are ready.
Here we go.
Quédense sentados durante el viaje y por favor no fumen. Vérifiez que vous avez toutes vos affaires en descendant et dirigez-vous vers la sortie la plus proche.
Did you enjoy that ride? Did you enjoy that?
Let's go some more rides.
Hi everyone, here we are. Here's baby Todd chilling out having his dinner. Mommy Susie and Sully. Hey Sully, did you just go on Peter Pan? What did you think?
They do lots of Peter Pan.
Was it really good? Yeah. You hungry?
Says, Mom.
Mom. So we've come for some dinner at Casey's Corner. We had quite a big lunch as you saw earlier, so we decided just to get some bits and pieces and share, and I'll show you what we got because I didn't know. I just keep asking every we go, but they accept annual pass, so we got annual pass discount on this. I'll show you what we got. So we got the hot dog with chili and cheese to share, a fries, some chicken nuggets, a bottle of water and a large Coke Zero, and we got a $2.99 discount, so it came to $26.91, which not too bad. We're quite happy with that. There you have it, everybody's little family meal all sorted out. Hot dog, chicken nuggets and chippies to share for Mummy and Daddy, nuggets and chips for Sully,
And chicken casserole from Little Todd Man.
oh yeah, drinks all round. Let's tuck in, shall we? Yummy. Hiya guys, thank you so much for watching today. We've had our dinner, we've got a couple of restless boys now, and this is just the nature of having children with you.
Oh, this one's just ready to walk, I think.
So we're going to go get
yeah.
ourselves to bed. We're going to close this vlog for today, and we'll see you tomorrow at Walt Disney Studios.
Good night, guys.
Bye.
I look into your eyes, baby, to my surprise, I'm shooting to the stars above. Now that you're here, it's so clear. I know that I found love, brought laughter and fun. I hope in the sun, my world shines so bright. Now I'm so glad you're light of my life.